Hey everyone, welcome to the Heath Street Minute. 1 minute of knowledge coming at you. In honor of the Christmas season, I have to ask, did you know Jesus was a carpenter? Well, it's true. Back in the first century, boys would begin their apprenticeship between the ages of 12 and 15, and typically they'd begin learning from their fathers. Jesus was no different. His adoptive father, Joseph, showed him the ropes. Now back then, a carpenter would typically be building houses and temples and tools for other tradesmen, and occasionally furniture. They'd even do some work with stones. Now, Jesus didn't have a lumber yard to rummage through or a hardware store full of tools to drool over. He didn't have a CNC or a lathe or a jointer or a planer or anything of the sort. No, he had elbow grease and a level of mastery and patience that I know I don't have. I won't speak for you. But next time you think you need that fancy new tool, you're drooling over something special, just remember Jesus, his hard work, and his sacrifice, both inside and outside the shop. Merry Christmas.